Jackie! And I'm here with another video, obviously. I don't know why I say that in everything. Like, duh, obviously. Anywho's, today I used the Crown Pro palette to do this copper penny look. Can't decide if I like it or not. So, yeah, stay tuned to see how I got that look and let me know in the comments if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And, yeah, stay tuned for this look. Okay, so today I'm going to use the Crown Pro palette. And we're going to do a bronzy, coppery, I think it's more copper than bronze, honestly. We're going to do a copper penny look, because that's what this color makes me think of. A penny, a bright, shiny penny. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to start. Oh, by the way, I primed my eyes with the Ulta Beauty tinted eye primer this time, and I'm hoping the shadows work better. I don't know why. I feel like when I use Shape Tape, the shadows don't show up as well. I don't know. But we're going to start with that color. And we're going to use that as a transition shade. See, now this primer is like throwing me off too because it's tinted and it's like shimmery. And now it's like throwing me off when I'm putting shadows on it. Ugh, struggle's real. I think that's good. Okay, so now we're gonna go into this brown shade, and we're gonna use that in the crease and outer corner. I think I'm gonna use this shadow brush because I like that it's a little like thicker. I can really get in the crease with it. First, we're gonna start the outer corner. It's so quiet outside that I can hear a train that's in the next town over. Isn't that weird? Beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna take this flat shadow brush and we're going to go into the copper penny color and put that on the lid. Ooh, let's see if we can do it dry. It's going on dry, but I want it more intense because we all know I like my shadows intense. So I'm going to go in with my finger and see if that makes a difference. A little. I really don't want to have to wet the brush all the time. That's better. Wow, that really brings out the green in my eyes, doesn't it? Awesome. So now that's all kind of blending together. I'm going to use this crease brush and I'm going to go back into that dark brown that we put in the corner and crease, and I'm going to try to deepen up that outer corner and blend the crease a little better. Wish there was another color that I could go in with to kind of break up the fact that it's all like close to the same color. I'm going to go into the black. I'm going to take a crease brush, going to go into the black and try to deepen up this outer corner so it's not as brown, I guess, so it's darker. I'm gonna try to blend. Try to? No, I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna go back into that transition shade, that's orange, the brown orange. Put a little on the brush and I'm going to blend the edges with it. It's missing something. I think I'm gonna try. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try. Take this real light shimmer and I'm gonna try to pop it in the middle just to give it a little something. It needs something. Use my finger. Now I'm going to go back into the copper and I'm going to kind of just blend it in a little. What do we think? Do we think that did anything? I mean, it's obviously there, but did it break it up enough? I think once we pop on liner and lashes and stuff, it'll be okay. I feel like that black needs a little bit of brown blending. It kind of looks like it made it look more brown, which is what I wanted. So I guess that was a success. Liner. E.L.F. liner. Guys, I can't decide if I even like this look. Guys, forgot to do a drop shadow. Maybe that'll help. We're gonna do the brown we put in the crease first. Now we're gonna take that the transition shade. We're just gonna soften it up a little bit. Still not a fan. Okay, we're gonna do the cream E.L.F. liner on the bottom. Just gonna do to the pupil of my eye because I don't want to close off my eye because I have squinty eyes as it is. All right, so I'm going to pop on lashes, finish the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back. So, this is the final look. I can't decide if I like it or not. I'm torn. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you think this is a good look or not. I'm on the fence. I really don't know. So if you liked it, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I'd love to have you here. Hit the little bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos post. Don't forget to look in the description box all the way towards the bottom. There will be a link to my Facebook page, Beauty Obsessions with Jackie's Facebook page. And there you will see sneak peeks of future looks and my past looks. And once I get over 100 people, I will start doing lives, and there you can ask me questions for Q&A videos and all that fun stuff. So yeah, go down, click that link, like that page, and yeah. So that's it for this video. I hope you tune in for future videos, and I also hope that you have a great day. Bye.